How are you going to handle all these funds when they come to the stadium? Now, the importance of this workshop was to upgrade what we saw called stewards into a different level. And after today, now they're being called safety and security officers. So we no longer call them stewards.
I would say that this is one of the very important contributions of CAF to the advancement of the change we want to see across Africa when it comes to stadium operations, with specific reference to the safety and security operations in the stadiums. You agree with me that for a long time we have been playing football in Africa. We have not really paid attention to how safety and security operations are managed in our stadiums.